Okay guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how to use Visual Studio Code. This is the link, code.visualstudio.com, because I downloaded. Okay, let's go. Just use it. First, okay, open the Visual Studio Code, then pick a new file, name it index.html. Okay, first type like this, enter, then yeah, just do like that. Let me see. Oh yeah, I forgot. Head like this. Basically, I do like that. Sorry, I will do like this. Because I a little bit forgot. Head. What? Where is it? Oh, here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Do not use this double. Just one of them. It's so funny. There's two of them. Head, title. Oh yeah, for this I'll make title that the name is sorry, title like that. I mean this will be your name of the website. Okay, I will name my first website. Okay, done. No. Oh no. Hey, yay, I'm so smart. Okay, link like that. Not like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Link ref. Oh yeah, just copy like this. Link is this. Like this. You need to do not know this. Link ref. Nah, that. No. Wait. I need to study it first. Oh yeah. Then what? Just copy this. This will the style of your title. Like this, then well equals start sheet. Okay, done. Well, style sheet. Go like this. Now done. Do it again for another style. I mean, you can double it and then make a really good style. Okay, it's not that different. You can see it here. Delete it, then oh no, not like this. Well, I forgot a guy. Text JavaScript. Text JavaScript. Oh yeah, I don't need to use this space. Text JavaScript. Okay, done. For the next is script. The script will be the link ref 2. Okay, now this. Now you can copy this. I will do it again by myself. Link ref. What's that? I forgot really. Oh, app CSS. Slushy. App CSS. No. Slushy. Well. Slushy. Okay. Yay. Okay, the script will be like this: script code jQuery dot slash com jQuery like this. Yeah, just type it. Okay, this is the first script. Okay, script. No. I forgot really. I'm so fast because oh yeah, search, not index. HTTPS. No. I forgot. Control, Control C, Control V again, and then t-shirt like this. Type application JavaScript, and then put like this. This one here. Then like this. Okay. Type application JavaScript. Enter it. Then do like this. Nah, it will be like this. Okay. The second script is oh yeah, just simply script search, and no, it's this false. I forgot it to delete it because it's app.js, not app CSS. Nah, okay, I'm so dumb. Nah, we shall my first website. No, this ugly. Okay, done. Oh yeah, just use PR or maybe header you can. That like PR. Enter it. Your image, search for your website. You can use something that you want like this. Just use this. It will know. Oh yeah, don't forget to use autosave on. It easily will help you. Okay, let's find something. A picture for us. Wallpaper. Okay, you can use this. Oh no. This you can do this. Click open image in new tab. Now like this. Copy it. Then close it again. Just back to the this. Then here you paste it. Nah, after you paste it, yeah, use like this. H1. It will be your like title, but inside the website. Okay, like this. Title. No. Wait, you can see. Go here. Let me uninstall it. Nah, type open in browser. Nah, this one. Install it. Just wait. Oh yeah, installed. Okay, go to back and then open in default browser. Nah, you can see this title. This is the website, my first website. Okay, I will be like changing it into like other maybe. No, this so ugly. I mean like, you know what? Title. I'm so smart. This will be my first website. Okay, is this not my first? My third. No. My first. Okay, then if you only do like this, just refresh it again. Okay, I will teach you how to make hyperlink. For the first time, do like this. A ref like that one, like this one. Ref. Then just use so much spaces like this. You enter the link. I mean like my first website. I will go to YouTube my link. Okay, just use this. I'm like, yeah. Nah, you type again my first website, and then you delete this all. Nah, like this. If you done like this, refresh again. You click it. What the? What happened? Wait, what? Do I wrong? What? What I do? What do I do? Ah, yeah. Oh, the title. Dee. Just like that. Let me try. So, what? Why it's youtube.com. Index.html. Nah, smart. Why it doesn't work? Wait, let me see mine. Sorry, guys. Open the default browser. Son of a moon. Doesn't work. Why? Why? It should be work. You can set it by yourself. Like 500. Something bad. Okay. Refresh it. Nah, it's smaller. Oh yeah, before that, I think. Okay. Yeah, nothing. So like this P will be a title of, like the description or something like that. Okay. I don't know what do I want to say. Okay, just stop it. My first website. Okay, this is my first website. I hope you enjoy. Ya udah gini doang. I mean this. Okay. This is will be the you can use this by hyperlink too, man. Look at these. This same how to do it. A little bit. Before that, let me see. Okay, this is my first website. I hope you enjoy. Okay, the next thing we should study is done. Oh yeah, the app CSS. Make like this. Oh yeah, we should make a footer and really header then a footer. Okay, footer. Nice. Let me just copy it. No. Hey, where's my body? Where is it? I'm wrong or not? Oh yeah, I really just use this and then go again, and do it again. Should I use the article? It's not an article, but just use it. This is so hard. Lol. Yeah, just typing like that. Create again and then app.css. Okay, enter it. Then make like a footer, then a slash body. I think footer maybe. Nah, type inside it like created by me. By no. By King. By me, yay. You just do like this. Okay. Again, nah, If you do not understand this, I will start. Next, maybe? Okay, bruh. Okay, okay. This is the first part. Tomorrow we will study FCSS. Bye.